about carbon credit as a word. So carbon credit is one of the incentive which agriculture sector is getting right now or about to get. But there are various other environmental credits is coming in the market. I think we should also focus on that, like biodiversity credit and green credit programs by government of India. So the various opportunities are coming in coming years. Water credit is another area. So we can focus all those areas as well. So now we talk about carbon credit as a as a Indian scenario. So India has a huge carbon market, and there are two kind of carbon market we have. One is that compliance-based carbon market, which is government of India has recently formed, is going to functional very soon, which is called Indian carbon market. And Indian carbon market, the purpose is very simple, that we'd like to meet our NDC target, and by doing our national carbon credit projects. But there is another opportunity in the compliance market is Article 6.2, where we can generate carbon credit by multi and bilateral tie-ups and cooperations. Like India can generate carbon credit and take carbon credit from some of the projects in Africa, and those credit India can take and to the net zero goal. Because right now our NDC target, we are able to reach our NDC target very well. By 2030 target, we are ahead. 2040, I think, is going to be a little tougher. And 2050 is going to be very tough for India. So we should also be ready for developing some projects. We are discussing about Indian carbon credit market scenario. But we, as a developer, we can also do some projects outside India, like Africa, Ghana, Kenya, Malawi. So that is another area where we can meet the NDC. Now let's come to voluntary carbon market, where we have larger opportunity right now as an agriculture sector per se. So voluntary carbon market is have a tremendous opportunity in the agriculture sector, because agriculture sector is the credit generated in agriculture sector is very high premium credit, and its rates around $10 to $150 credits rates globally. So when we talk about agriculture sector, it comes under nature-based solution. So nature-based solution, there are various projects like forestry and afforestry and RED plus. There's some projects is yet to start in India. A few projects are listed in Meghalaya, and about one of them is about listed in Nagaland very soon. But when we talk about agriculture, there are various opportunities like sustainable land management, agroforestry, organic farming, and also some of the area like coming rapidly in allied sector, like biochar is good area where carbon credit rates around $150 to $200 right now. So there are various areas where agri and allied sector has tremendous opportunity. But at the same time, how it can be done? So it is a big task that how we can generate carbon credit in this sector, which is really unorganized. Because India, as a we have a 85% farmer which has less than 2-acre land. So where the aggregation play a very important role, and all this aggregation, apart from that, awareness has to play a very important role. And taking NOC from the farmer is a big task, and also taking their geo mapping areas are another big task. So when we talk about agriculture carbon credit, we have to have a huge surplus fund in advance, so that these projects can be listed well, and after that, registry and audit initiatives can be done. And after that, there's a distribution of carbon credit to the farmer is also important. So recently, sir, we have done some tie-up, and we are about to launch one project in Haryana. This is a under Javik scheme, where 5,000 hectare land is there. And we have done some calculation and analysis, and we came to know that in 5,000 hectare per hectare, if you are able to get five credit, and if you sell the credit in $8 to $10, every farmer can get every annum 3,000 rupees.